Well, good morning, afternoon, or good evening. This is Carol Browne Earl coming to you from Bristol, Virginia. I'm so happy Facebook is back. Anyway, yeah, this is a no hype, no push, quick video on if you want to know the secrets to how to lose fat, proper way, the healthy way. I'm including a video with this broadcast. So just check it out, guys. This is awesome. You know, if you need some help, you want any more information, just contact me, say yes, whatever you need to do, and I'd be happy to steer you in the right direction. My own testimony is I have lost 20 pounds in the past 3 weeks. I am so excited. Some of you may know I've been complaining because my last child, 35 years ago, I retained all that weight, 50 pounds worth of weight I retained. And even over the past 35 years, you know, it's not gone down. It's actually gained a little bit here and there with that too. But I have tried so many different things, even counting all those little calories and things and foods all the time, and nothing worked. Nothing. It just wasn't happening. And so when I was asked to do a trial on this particular product that you'll see and learn about and hear about, you know, in the secrets to weight loss, I was amazed. I lost 9 pounds in 1 week. And it was so easy, you know, and I haven't even started the exercise yet because I've really not been in a position where I can do exercises very well. But I am starting to look into that now, and we'll be starting that hopefully within the week along with this. It's time to firm up where I've lost this weight. And I am just ecstatic over it, guys. This works. Oh, and I think I said that, yeah, the reason why I tried it was because my mentor asked me to. You know, when the boss asks you to, you kind of think, okay, fine. And I am so happy that I did. I really am. I'm on a team that is crushing it with this. People from all over, left and right. What did you do? I want to try it, blah, blah, blah. But guys, yeah, do yourself a favor. At least listen to the video. So anyway, God bless, and I hope to hear from you too real soon. Let's get you on a healthy weight plan today. God bless. Bye for now.